Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make edible cookie dough. I'm going to have the recipe that I used linked in the description below, so let's get started. Alright, so the first ingredient you're going to need is 1 cup of butter. I forgot to say this makes 3 servings it says, but I feel like it's going to make a little more, but 1 cup of butter. Alright, and so then the next thing you're going to want to do is add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. And then you're going to cream these together. Alright, so I'm just going to cream these together. Alright, so next I'm going to add in 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And at this point you would also add in salt, but we use salted butter, so we're not going to do that. And then you're going to want to mix that together too. Alright, so next we are going to add in flour. We've treated this butter, we put it in the microwave for 1 minute on high, and then to be safe, we just threw it in the oven at 350 for about 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to add this flour in a little bit at a time, and I'm going to mix it.
See, back in my day, we did all of this with a fork.
Don't come at me with that back in my day. Alright guys, so I didn't sift my flour and you could tell, so I'm doing that now. Alright guys, so this is what the dough looks like after all the flour is added, and as you can see it's super crumbly. So now we're going to add milk, and we're only going to add in a little bit at a time. This is 2 tablespoons of milk, but we might not use all of it just until the dough starts coming together. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I've kneaded it. I only used about half the milk. Now I'm going to add some chocolate chips. My sister doesn't like chocolate chips, so I won't add chocolate chips to hers, but then I'm going to show you guys when we're all done, and I'll give you guys a taste test. Alright guys, so now I'm going to try it. Oh my gosh, it's really hard to talk and eat at the same time. But this is actually really good. I definitely recommend it. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's good. It's just hard to talk because it's like cookie dough. But really good. I definitely recommend it. I already said that. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, like this video anyway. Feel free to subscribe. I love you all. Bye.